Good morning, dear students. So, dear students, you are learning well and giving test properly, but some students who are not giving test and not revising the syllabus, please revise the syllabus as we are going to have our online exams also. So, we were learning chapter 3 nouns number, and I have told you about exercise number 1. I have explained you, but now today we will learn how these nouns are changed into plurals. On the next page we are having the rules. So these are the rules for changing the singular nouns into plurals. So I will read all the rules properly. Be very careful for these rules. Then we have to do these exercises. I will tell you all the exercises. I will explain the exercises properly for you. Now first rule, to make by adding s to the singular, as boy boys, girl girls, dog dogs, horse horses, chair chairs. So in the first rule simply we will add s, like boy boys, girl girls, dog dogs. Only s is added here. Also HORSE, horse. Horse spelling is having SE at the last, so we will add only S. Chair chairs. So it is very simple one. Second one is by adding ES. If the noun ends in S or SH, sh, or CH, ch, or X, जिसकी लास्ट में एस आएगा या फिर श की साउंड आएगी या फिर च की साउंड आएगी या फिर एक्स आएगा, देन वी हैव टू ऐड ई एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बस. सो एट लास्ट इट इज कमिंग एस, ओनली एस इज कमिंग, देन वी विल ऐड ई एस. If double s is coming, then also we have to add es. If sh sound is coming, sh, like brush or bush, then we have to add es, like brush brushes, es we will add. And if the word is having in the last ch, then we will add again es, like this, bench benches. And also if the word is having x at the last, then we will add es, box boxes, fox foxes, like this. Next, third rule is by changing y into I and adding es to that word. If the I comes after a consonant, as pony, pony. So if, be very careful in this, like we were having here also y, but we will not remove y because before y there is a vowel. What are the vowels? A E I O U. So A E I O U, अगर उसमें से कोई भी vowel y से पहले होगा तो हम उसे चेंज नहीं करेंगे. We will not change if the word is having before y any vowel. So here we are not changing. But here in the third rule, like pony, y से पहले क्या आ रहा है? N. N is not a vowel, N is consonant, so we have to remove y and we will add IES. PONY, pony, PONIES, ponies. Same way LADY, lady. तो y से पहले d आ रहा है, d is also a consonant, then we will remove y and we will add IES, ladies. Same way fly, FLY, before y there is L is also a consonant, so we will remove y and we will add IES. Same way city, CITY, so before y T is coming, T is also a consonant, so we will remove y and we will add IES, cities. Now there are some examples I have written for you. Like first I have told you this example only, boy boys. तो y से पहले o आ रहा है, o is a vowel. We will not remove y, we will add simple s. Simply we will add s. Same way toy, toy, toy से पहले भी, y से पहले भी, here also o is coming and o is also a vowel, so we will write toys, toys. Same way donkey, in donkey also you see before y e is coming, e is also a vowel, so we will write donkeys. So be very careful for this. Next one is number 4, by changing f into v and adding es. Like when we are having f, then we have to remove f and we have to write ves. Like thief, thieves. Remove f and write thieves. We have to add ves. Now see this, thief, thief. Remove f and add ves. Starting spelling will be the same, and at last instead of f we will write ves. Same way knife, knife, so we have to remove fe and we have to add ves. Starting spelling is same, kni ves. Same way calf, 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 and we have to remove f and write ves instead of f. Same way leaf, instead of f we will write ves. Okay, now fifth one. Fifth rule says by a change of vowel. जो vowel आ रहा है in the word, we have to change the vowel. Like man, man, men, men. So this is the vowel a, we have to write e. Same way woman, woman, we have to remove a, we have to write e, woman. Same way here foot, feet, double o is double o vowel and double e also vowel, FEET, feet. Tooth, teeth. Here we have to change ou, last full spelling we will change, mouse, mouse, mice. So next one, by adding en as ox, जिसमें en लगाना है, ox, ox, en, oxen. Child, children, we have to add in child ren. So these are the different rules we have to follow to change some nouns. Now next, number 7, there are some nouns that are used only in the plural forms, like the things which are having two parts, like scissors. We are cutting with the scissors. Dear children, see this example of scissors. Scissors is having two parts, one is this and one is this, so it is a pair of scissors, so we have to use always scissors, always s is added. Same way spectacles, spectacles means चश्मा, चश्मे में भी दोनों आईज के लिए हमारे पार्ट्स होते हैं. सेम वे spectacles. Shorts, we are wearing shorts in both the legs. Same way here also a pair of shorts. Trousers also, पैंट को कहते हैं trousers, so here also we have to use s. Jeans, in jeans also for both the legs we are having, so here also two, that's why it is known as jeans. It is not called, we are not saying jean, we are always saying jeans. Tights, tights भी वही होते हैं जो हम legs में पहनते हैं. Pajamas. So all these words, there are some nouns that are used only in the plural form. तो चाहे हम इसको एक के लिए यूज़ करें या डबल के लिए यूज़ करें या तीन के लिए, how many whatever we are using, we have to use as one only, scissors. Next one, eighth one is, there are some nouns that have the same singular and plural forms as deer, ship, fish, aircraft. In this we have to use whatever we are using. Deer, for one also we are using deer and for many also we are using deer. Ship also we are using for one also ship and for many also ships. Same way fish and same way aircraft. Ninth rule is, some nouns have no plural forms. For example, scenery, इसका कोई plural form नहीं होता है. Furniture, we have to use furniture. The word furniture. Paper, paper. Wood, wood. Iron, iron. Advice, innings, news and information. So some nouns have no plural forms. News, अब न्यूज़ चाहे एक हो या बहुत सारी हो, हमें न्यूज़ ही बोलना है. Innings also same. Next, 10th one, there are nouns which are considered only in the singular form. Mathematics, physics, इसमें सब में s लगा है, but we have to use it as a singular form. Economics, same way. But here cattle is a group of animals, so we have to use only cattle. We have to use people, only people. We are not saying anytime peoples is wrong. We have to use people का मतलब होता है लोग, और लोग जब होते हैं जब बहुत सारे होते हैं, so it is used as people only, cattle only. So these are the some rules for changing the nouns into plural forms. Revise it yourself also so that you can understand it well. Now we will do the exercise in the next video.